Hi everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete public story on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Once you have opened it, you'll be brought up with the camera section. Now from the appear screen, go ahead and tap on the little profile icon which is appear on the top left corner. So make sure that you have at least uploaded one story to your public profile. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on my public profile. So as you can see, this is the story that I have uploaded on my public story. So in order to delete it, what you can do is tap on that bin or the trash button which is represented as the delete sign. Once you tap on it, confirm it, and your story from public profile will be deleted successfully. So this is how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.